4.1, Dylan just said, yes, exponents. SK, what is multiplication? What is it? Don't tell me at the time, Tim, but what is multiplication?
Multiplication is...
You are so right. Multiplication is multiplying. That is so true.
Right.
What is it? Any ideas? I mean, you've learned it. You've tried to memorize the times tables. Hopefully you've been pretty successful at it. But what is it, Parker? Oh, man. I like duplicating. I kind of like that word. Like what?
I don't know how to say multiplying without seeing it.
He doesn't know how to define it without using it. And that's the thing in the definition, you can't use the word to define itself, right? So, what do you think? Bella, did you have your hand up?
Is it like adding, but
Okay, all right. I like it, Bella. That's pretty much as close as we're going to get. Bella says it's adding multiple times. Or we'd say that it's repeated addition.
yes.
Multiplication is repeated addition. But exponents are repeated multiplication. It's taking a number and multiplying it by itself a certain number of times. Remember, multiplication is adding a number to itself multiple times. Exponents are multiplying a number by itself multiple times. And we designate it by putting a little number in the top right-hand corner. That's why we don't write numbers behind variables when we're multiplying. That's why we don't say x times 4. Because we have something that we put back there already. This should be written as an exponent. That means x times itself 4 times. When we're talking about multiplying, we don't write it like that. We write it as 4x. Okay? Good. Exponents, Dylan, is repeated multiplication. Excellent. You're going to help me right here, Dylan. Dylan, it doesn't get easier. Write each expression in exponential form. Here's A. 6 to the 4th. They didn't ask us to evaluate it. I don't know what 6 is. 6 squared is 36 times 6 is 216 times 6 is, oh, I don't even know. 676? Maybe? I'm not sure. You can check me on that later. Dylan, what do we get? Is it a to the 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. A to the 6. Nice. Go ahead and finish it off for us. Oh. Okay, now wait a minute. Hang on to that for a minute, Dylan.
I see what I mean.
When I've got stuff like this, I've got numbers, I've got letters, I've got all kinds of stuff being multiplied. The first thing that I want to do is multiply the numbers. So find the numbers that you've got up there. What numbers do you have?
-2 and 3.
So multiply them. What do you get?
-6.
Write that down. I'm done. What else do you have?
You have e to the 3rd power, so there's 3
P to the 3rd power. Should I put P first or should I put it second? Does it matter? What do you think?
Put P first.
You put P first because we write it alphabetically. So we'll do the P's next. And Dylan said we have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. All right? P to the 3rd. And then what, Dylan?
Q to the 2nd.
Q to the 2nd. Everybody's happy. Could not have done a better job. Thank you, sir. That's awesome.